Have you ever used preposition onto? Onto. Well, anyway, I'd like to show you two situations in which the Brits very often need it in a conversation. Number one, to look onto something or to look out onto something. I'd say the first one is more common in British English. To look onto something means to have a clear, direct view of another place.
Most households will have a front and a back garden. Now, the front garden tends to be smaller than the back garden, and often the front garden is looking onto the road, so we don't tend to favour our front gardens too much.
My window looks onto a busy road. Our flat looks onto the main square. Our house looks onto the beach. Situation number two, to put someone onto something. If you put someone onto something, it means you let them know about it. You tell them the information that they need very much at the moment. What place does your house or your flat look onto? And how do you feel about it?